Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make hard naan soft. To begin, you can easily revive stale naan by adding a little moisture and heat. A simple method involves wrapping your naan in a slightly damp paper towel and microwaving it for a short burst. Alternatively, a quick steam over boiling water or a few minutes in a warm oven can also bring back its delightful softness and chewiness. For microwaving, lightly dampen a paper towel and wrap it around your naan. Heat it on high for about 15 to 30 seconds. This quick burst of steam will rehydrate the bread. If you prefer steaming, place the naan in a steamer basket over simmering water for 30 to 60 seconds. The gentle steam will make it wonderfully pliable again. An oven can also work wonders. Lightly brush your naan with a little water or melted butter, then warm it in a 350-degree Fahrenheit oven for 2 to 3 minutes. For stovetop reheating, place the naan in a dry pan over medium heat, cover it with a lid, and let it warm for about 1 minute per side. This traps moisture, ensuring a soft finish. To keep your naan soft for longer, store any leftovers in an airtight container at room temperature for a day or two. For extended freshness, you can freeze naan for up to 3 months. Just thaw and reheat using one of our methods. And speaking of freshness, life's too short for a stinky car. Check the description for a link to grab Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.